Tough loss for you guys, but you made a valiant effort and got it back to 5 points in the second half. Did you feel like, did you make a conscious effort to try to get your 3-point shot off with the team down by so much?
Yes, that's how my coach just hang his head on about me. He said I always shoot. Like, he don't care if I miss 40 shots in a row.
Okay.
Shoot the next one. I'll shoot the next one.
In the first half, you weren't firing as much. Were you trying to get the team more involved?
Yeah, I mean, I was just trying to get the team involved, because I feel as though like I'm gonna always get my shots. Like, the coach want me to shoot the ball, so I'm gonna get my shots. That's why I was like just trying to get a lot of people involved, but at the same time, I need to try to still be aggressive. At the same time, it threw me off a little bit the first half.
Okay. Now the offense wasn't firing a lot and wasn't firing very well in the first half. What do you feel like needs to improve so that the ball movement can be more consistent?
We just gotta have energy on defense. The offense gonna come. Everybody gonna get shots. We just gotta be more patient and more aggressive. Patient and aggressive at the same time. And we just gotta really play defense. Like the whole game, we gotta focus on defense instead of offense. Offense gonna come, like, because we got great sets and everything, and so the offense gonna come.
Okay.
We just gotta worry about our defense.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
No problem.